Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Bitcoin enthusiast or just curious about the future of cryptocurrency, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into what the Bitcoin price might look like in 2025. With Bitcoin's history of wild price swings, it's tough to predict. But we're going to look at the factors that could influence its value and give you a well-rounded prediction for the next few years. So make sure to stick around and let's get into it. Before we make any predictions, let's talk about Bitcoin's volatility. Bitcoin has been known for its massive price fluctuations. In 2017, it surged to almost $20,000, then crashed back down. In 2020, it saw another huge rise. And in 2021, it hit an all-time high of over $60,000. This volatility is one of the main reasons Bitcoin is so exciting, but it also makes predicting the price tricky. So, while we can't say exactly what Bitcoin will be worth in 2025, we can look at trends and factors that will influence its price. One of the biggest drivers for Bitcoin's future price is institutional adoption. In 2020 and 2021, we saw major companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square invest billions into Bitcoin. This trend is likely to continue as more institutional investors see Bitcoin as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. If more large corporations and financial institutions start holding Bitcoin as part of their balance sheets, it could drive the price up significantly. Some experts even predict that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 or more in the next few years due to institutional involvement. Another huge factor to consider is the global economy. Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold, a safe haven asset that could perform well in times of economic uncertainty. With inflation concerns, currency devaluation, and political instability, more people might turn to Bitcoin as a store of value. If this happens, we could see a surge in demand which could drive the price upwards. However, Bitcoin's price is also affected by government regulations, which we'll discuss next. Speaking of regulations, this is one of the most important factors that could shape Bitcoin's future price. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Some countries, like El Salvador, have embraced Bitcoin, while others, like China, have banned it. If more countries adopt favorable regulations, it could help Bitcoin's price increase as it becomes more accessible and widely accepted. On the other hand, stricter regulations or outright bans in major markets could have a negative impact on the price. So, government action in the coming years will play a big role in determining Bitcoin's price by 2025. Another factor that could influence Bitcoin's price is technological advancements. Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, is constantly evolving. Innovations like the Lightning Network, which aims to make Bitcoin transactions faster and cheaper, could increase Bitcoin's utility and adoption. As Bitcoin becomes more user-friendly and scalable, it could see broader use in daily transactions, which could drive demand and push the price higher. On the flip side, if new competitors like Ethereum or other blockchain projects gain traction, it could impact Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto market. Let's not forget that Bitcoin is a deflationary asset. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and as more people adopt Bitcoin, the scarcity factor becomes more significant. This limited supply, combined with increasing demand, could push the price up in the long term. In fact, some analysts believe that Bitcoin's price could reach $500,000 or even higher by 2025, based on its scarcity and growing demand. Now let's talk about some actual predictions for Bitcoin's price in 2025. While there's no crystal ball, here are some estimates based on the factors we just discussed. Bullish prediction. If Bitcoin continues to gain adoption from institutions, governments, and individuals, and if the global economy pushes people towards decentralized assets, Bitcoin could reach anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000 by 2025. Bearish prediction. On the other hand, if governments crack down on Bitcoin, or if new technologies or cryptocurrencies surpass Bitcoin in utility, we could see the price fall back down to $20,000 to $40,000. So, while the future of Bitcoin is uncertain, one thing is clear. Bitcoin is here to stay, and its price will likely continue to rise in the long term as adoption grows. So, what do you think? Will Bitcoin hit $100,000 or even $500,000 by 2025? Or will it face challenges that hold its price down? Only time will tell, but if you're holding Bitcoin or planning to invest, the key is to stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest news and updates on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency trends, and more. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What's your Bitcoin price prediction for 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.